Buongiorno and Buona Pasqua. Happy Easter to all of you out there. This is Tony's Cooking, and you know we always start with a good glass of Chianti before you do any culinary things, right? Well, salute. And I want to show you today, these are organically grown radishes that we're going to make pesto with. Yep, pesto. You can actually cook these and cook them like, or prepare them like you do spinach or anything else. But we're going to do pesto with the tops of these. We never waste any of our good ingredients. And we're also going to use arugula. Yeah, normally used in salad, but this will be a good ingredient also for the pesto, which we will show you here in a few moments.
And they're all from your garden. You forgot to say that.
Oh yeah,
organically grown.
Don't waste anything. Okay, chop it off. Okay, here's the ingredients that we're going to be using. Some garlic, salt. Here's some pinoles. Right
That's
there.
Sicilian sea salt, by the way.
Oh yeah, from Trapani.
Yep.
This is Sicilian sea salt. Parmesan cheese and some zest from the lemons from our garden. This is also organic. Everything's organic. Even I'm organic now. And this is the lemon juice that we got from the lemons from our tree. And once in a while I'll throw in a few of these walnuts too. Not the whole thing, but a few I'll throw in there. And of course, don't forget olive oil. Olive oil, yes.
Extra virgin
olive,
organic.
Yes, organic as well. Okay, we're ready to blend this baby on. So here we go in. Okay, here's the finished product. And here you go, look at that. You can add a little cream to this while you're mixing it too, which might thicken it or just give it a little better consistency.
But then it won't be vegan, so you know.
Yeah, but this is for the veganists. But if you're not, throw a little half and half or something like whipping cream was good. But here's the result, and you can put that on bread. You can even get a taco if you're into that.
Or it's so good on pasta.
And pizza.
Yes.
You can make pesto pizza too with this.
Yes. And it's
so there it is, ladies and gents.
Delish.
It is very tasty, very good, and very organic.
And healthy.
And healthy. Look at me. You'd never guess my age, huh? Just because of that.